Assalamualaikum everyone, my name is Ahmad Haziq and I'm from class 5C, and today we are going to present digital thermometer display.
And my name is Muhammad Dini Imran and I'm from 5C.
I'm Muhammad Hakim dan Muhammad Zaidin.
Moving on towards the next section which I will be explaining for you this code for our hardware. So first section which I can summarize for you is this section is for definition for each variable that used in this program. Next section, which is the entry section, where we define one of the input for 7 segment which use port B, LED which use port J, and the input for the temperature sensor which use the ATDL, 0CTL and so on. So to display the value, we've used the 7 segment output and the LEDs. So next section, which the clear counter, where it clear the each of the segment for this instance. This clear ones where it shows the first segment where it convert the input from the temperature sensor where once is put in the 7 segment. The clear turns is for the second segment, and the hunt segment is the third segment in the 7 segment, and the tau, which stands for 1000, which in this 7 segment in this board, which display the thousands on the number value input. Okay, that's it.
Finally, our next part of the coding is that we will start clear the counters to variable the counters of the variable to 0, and afterwards we will extract each digit, the thousand, the hundreds, the tens and the ones, and then we just load it into the accumulator. Afterwards, the program will compare the current value of counter with the value and separate each digit by incrementing the ones, the hundreds, the tens and the thousands. Okay, afterwards, the program uses load X to point the numbers of the 7 segment patterns and map each digit to the corresponding pattern in the table. Then it stores in the hundreds, thousands, tens and ones.
Afterwards, I will talk about the next part of the code. So, as my friend mentioned before, afterward the program will display the value for each 100, tens and ones to the 7 segment. For example, this one will display to the leftmost of the 7 segment. For this 100, it will display at this one, while tens it will display at this, while the ones will display at this 7 segment display. Afterwards, LED also will on, and we have the cycle LED program to ensure LED is always energized throughout the system operation, while this delay also to ensure that the changes value from the temperature sensor is noticeable to the user.
Final part, now we will demonstrate how our project functions.